All right, 2010 Topps Chrome Baseball. Blowout TV. This one is for Aaron H. Aaron H, this is for you. 2010 Topps Chrome Baseball. $24-pack box. 4 cards per pack. 1 rookie auto per box on average. Pack number 1. Here we go. Matt Garza, Wade Davis rookie, Ivan Nova rookie. Pack number 2. Pablo Sandoval, Lyle Overbay, Andy Oliver rookie refractor. Pack number 3, J.A. Happ, Eric Abar, Lester, Delmont Young. Shane Victorino, Manny Granderson, Carlos Gonzalez. Base. Liriano, Bobby Abreu, John Lackey, Brandon Phillips. Base. Michael Bourne, Torrey Hunter, Carlos Lee refractor. Chris Coughlin. McCutcheon, Josh Beckett. First auto, Tyler Ross. Tyler Ross, rookie auto. Joey Votto, Joe Saunders, Daniel McCutcheon, refractor. Joe Mauer, Mickey Mantle, chrome, base. David Wright, Alex Rios, Soriano, Helton. Evan Longoria, Jimenez, Stanton rookie, John Eli. Carlos Lee, Jared Weaver, refractor. All right, second stack, 12 down. Ichiro, Lincecum, Jesse English, rookie refractor. Austin Jackson, rookie. We got a gold refractor here. Roy Halladay, gold refractor, number to 50. Roy Halladay, gold refractor, number to 50. One of the all-time great pitchers out there. Roy Halladay, gold refractor, very nice hit. Really nice. Zimmerman, Chris Young, National Chickle Chrome, numbered to 999. This box is for Aaron H. Aaron H. 2010 Topps Chrome Baseball. Dustin Pedroia, Heritage Chrome. Numbered to 1961. Oh, wrong pile. All right, here we go. Stephen Drew, Mark Reynolds, refractor. Sabathia, Derek Lee, Tejada, Chris Heisley, rookie. Matt Cain, Burnett. Hey, a second rookie, John Eli, rookie auto. Second rookie in the box. Second rookie auto in the box. We got 5 packs left for Aaron H. 5 packs left. Luke Hughes refractor. Ibanez, Hunter Pence, Russ Martin, Drew Butera. 3 packs left for Aaron H. 2010 Topps Chrome Baseball. Fukudome, Edwin Jackson, Scott Kazmir. 2 more packs, Aaron. Here we go. James Shields, Vlad, Tejada. Last pack. Here we go. Victor Martinez, Adrian Gonzalez, Shin Soo Choo refractor, and Jimmy Rollins. All right, thanks a lot. That was for Aaron H. Thank you for the order, Aaron. See you later.